Students, today we will do some more questions on binomial theorem. The first question is, let x be binomial variate with the parameter n, 1 by 3. Find the least number of trials required in order to get probability of at least one success more than 0.8. Now probability of at least one success, if x denotes the number of successes, then number of successes is at least one and its probability is more than 0.8. We know that probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of its complement. So this can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than 1 is greater than 0.8. Probability for x less than 1 means probability at x is equal to 0 greater than 0.8. Because x is binomial variate with the parameter n, 1 by 3 means p is equal to 1 by 3 and n is n. So its PDF will be equal to ncx p to the power x and q to the power n minus x. X is varying from 0, 1, 2 up to n. Now probability at x is equal to 0. NC0 is what? 1 into 1 by 3 to the power 0, that is 1. 2 over 3 to the power n. So this will be 1 minus 2 over 3 to the power n greater than 0.8. So it means कि 1 minus 0.8 greater than 2 over 3 to the power n means 2 over 3 to the power n is less than 0.20. Now अगर असी n दी वैल्यू दी गल करिए, if n is equal to 0 then this will be equal to 1. So 1 is less than 0.20 which is not possible. So n is equal to 0 is not possible. So अगर असी n is equal to 1 दी गल करिए students, then 2 over 3 to the power 1. 2 over 3 to the power 1 which is 0.66 which is not less than 0.20. So n is equal to 1, again not possible, n दी वैल्यू 1 भी नहीं हो सकती. So अगर असी n दी वैल्यू 2 दी गल करिए, then it will become 4 over 9. 4 over 9 which is 0.4 something. 0.4 is not less than 0.20, so not possible. N is equal to 3. It will become 8 over 27. 8 over 7 means 0.28 something. वो भी वैल्यू 0.20 तो greater than है. So n is equal to 3 not possible. So if n is equal to 4 दी अगर असी गल करिए, if we will put n is equal to 4 then it will become 16 over 81. 16 over 81 is 0.1 something. Okay, so n is equal to 4 possible, n is equal to 5, 6, so on, all values are possible. So we have This inequality holds for n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. So we need here least number of trials. Least number of trials, it means minimum number of trials is 4. So least possible number of trial is 4. So n will be equal to 4. Now next question is, find p for a binomial variable x. X is a binomial variable with n is equal to 6. We are to find the value of p when 9 into p probability of x at x is equal to 4 is equal to probability at x is equal to 2. So x is binomial variate with n comma p. N is what? 6. So therefore its PDF will be equal to 6cx p to the power x q to the power 6 minus x. Value of x is from 0 to 6. Now here we are given that 9 into probability at x is equal to 4 is equal to probability at x is equal to 2. So probability at x is equal to 4 means f of 4 is equal to f of 2. Now f of 4 is what? 6c4 p to the power 4 q to the power 2 is equal to f of 2 6c2 p square q to the power 4. Now value of 6c2 and 6c4 are equal. So we have 9 into p to the power 4. Now cancel p square and q square. So 9p square is equal to 1 minus p whole square. So 9p square is equal to 1 plus p square minus 2p. After simplifying we will get 8p square plus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now solve this. P is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 32 divided by 2 into 8. So values of p are minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 probability cannot be negative. So we will reject it. So therefore p will be equal to 1 by 4. Next question is, the mean and the variance of binomial distribution are 4 and 4 over 3 respectively. Write the distribution and probability x greater than equal to 1. Now student, जिद्दां कि सानू पता कि अगर binomial distribution आ then its mean. First of all, let x is binomial variable with the parameter n and p. So mean of the binomial distribution is np and variance npq. So here it is given that the variance is 4 by 3. So therefore np is equal to 4 and npq is equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to find the value of n and p. Now divide these two equations. npq over np is equal to 4 over 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 3. So q is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore p is equal to 2 by 3. From this equation n into 2 by 3 is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 into 3 over 2, which is 6. So it means number of trials are 6 and p is equal to 2 over 3. So therefore distribution x binomial with the parameter 6 and p is 2 by 3, means its PDF is equal to 6cx 2 over 3 to the power x 1 over 3 to the power 6 minus x, where x is varying from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 6. Now, probability of x greater than equal to 1 means 1 minus probability of x less than 1, because probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of its complement. So probability of x greater than equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 1, means 1 minus probability of x at x is equal to 0, 1 minus probability at x is equal to 0 means f of 0, 6c 0, 2 over 3 to the power 0, 1 over 3 to the power 6. So 1 minus 1 over 3 to the power 6, 1 minus 1 over 729, which is equal to 728 divided by 729. So probability of x greater than equal to 1 is 728 over 729. Next question is, show that for p is equal to 0.5 means 1 over 2, the binomial distribution has maximum probability. So maximum probability means mod. Mod at x is equal to n by 2 if n is even, and if n is odd, then mod of the distribution at x is equal to n minus 1 over 2 and n plus 1 over 2. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਾਈਨੋਮੀਅਲ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਬਾਈ ਮੋਡਲ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆਫ n plus 1 into p. So first case, when n is even. Now case 1, if n is even. So अगर n की वैल्यू इवन है, so for example take n is equal to 2m, m is any natural number. So we are, क्योंकि जी मॉड की वैल्यू आ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन n plus 1 into p. So n plus 1 की अगर गल करिए 2m plus 1 into p is what? 1 by 2 it is given, p is equal to 0.5. So this is 2m plus 1 over 2 means this is m plus 1 over 2. Clearly m plus 1 over 2 is non-integer. तो स्टूडेंट अगर नॉन इंटीजर है देन मॉड इज ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ n plus 1 into p. It means mod at x is equal to greatest integer of n plus 1 into p, means greatest integer of m plus 1 by 2, because m is in number, natural number. So for any natural number m plus greatest integer of m plus 1 by 2 is m. So m is what? From here m is n over 2. So if n is even, it means mod is at x is equal to n by 2. Now case second case की अगर असी गल करिए, if n is odd, so अगर n की वैल्यू odd है, we can take n is equal to 2m plus 1, m is any natural number. Now n plus 1 into p, 2m plus 1, this is the value of n. n plus 1 into p, p is what? 1 by 2. So this is m plus 1 by 2. Means, sorry, this is 2m plus 2 over 2. 2m plus 2 over 2 which is m plus 1, means this is integer. So if this is integer, so distribution is bimodal. So distribution is bimodal. Therefore distribution is bimodal and two mods are given by x is equal to m and m plus 1. सो अगर असी m की गल करिए सो n माइनस 1/2 and n minus 1/2 plus 1. We can find the value of m from this one, n minus 1/2. So means n minus 1/2 and n plus 1/2. So therefore mods are x is equal to n minus 1/2 and n plus 1/2. Next question is if x is binomial variate with the parameter n and p, then find the distribution of y is equal to n minus x. Now x the distribution given a y which is equal to n minus x, we have to find the distribution of y. This is very important question and a question of different type. y the distribution पता असी find करनी है, sorry x the distribution पता, we have to find the distribution of y. So one of the method is कि अगर तो एक वेरिएबल की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पता द सेकंड दी फाइंड करनी है, वी कैन यूज मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन. सो बिकॉज एक्स इज बाइनोमियल वेरिएट, so therefore its moment generating function mt which is equal to expectation of e into e to the power tx which is q plus p into e to the power t whole to the power n. So using x the moment generating function pata sanu, now we will find moment generating function of y. बिकॉज क्योंकि y इज इक्वल टू n माइनस एक्स, इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन x. नाउ अगर असी y दे मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन की गल करिए दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर टी वाई. सो y इज व्हाट n माइनस एक्स विच इज इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर टी एन into e to the power minus xt. So which is equal to e to the power tn. E to the power tn is constant, variable is x, so this is expectation of e to the power minus t into x. Now expectation of e to the power tx is q plus p into e to the power t whole to the power n. Now here we have expectation of e to the power tx, and now we are to put the value of, we are to find the value of e to the power minus tx. So we will replace here t by minus t. If we will replace here t by minus t, then this is equal to q plus p into e to the power minus t whole to the power n. Now e to the power nt, so from this one we will get q plus p into e to the power minus t whole to the power n. Okay, now this is e to the power t into q plus p into e to the power minus t whole to the power n. This is very important step. E to the power t whole to the power n. So a to the power n, b to the power n, we can write it as a into b whole to the power n. Now this is e to the power t into q plus p. So this can be written as p plus q into e to the power t whole to the power n. Now student, अगर असी हुण इहनूं कंपेयर करिए किहदे नाल बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दा मोमेंट जनरेटिव फंक्शन अगर x कोई बाइनोमियल वेरिएबल आ तो ਉਹਦਾ जनरेटिव फंक्शन किदां दा हुंदा q प्लस p इंटू e टू दी पावर t होल टू दी पावर n मीन्स e टू दी पावर t दे नाल जो मल्टीप्लाई हुंदा वो की है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस हेयर p इज इक्वल टू q मीन्स अगर असी y की गल करिए क्योंकि दिस इज द मोमेंट जनरेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ y एंड दिस इज द मोमेंट जनरेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ x सो x की अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस p आ देन y की प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस कितनी बन गई q मीन्स 1 माइनस p एंड नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल विल रिमेन सेम सो अगर असी y दे मोमेंट जनरेटिव फंक्शन की गल करिए सो y इज बाइनोमियल वेरिएट विद नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल सेम रहेंगे लेकिन जो यदि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस आ दैट विल बी इक्वल टू q मीन्स 1 माइनस p और वी कैन राइट इट एज q सो देयरफॉर y इज व्हाट n माइनस x सो n माइनस x भी बाइनोमियल वेरिएट आएगा लेकिन पैरामीटर n एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी सक्सेस के उनकी कितनी होगी 1 माइनस p सो डिफरेंट काइंड का क्वेश्चन है सो यदि प्रैक्टिस जरूर करनी है सो अगर तुहाडा कोई डाउट होए देन सेंड मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप ओके